chotwa kirisimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere yemo to enoti eyemo isato. Light Tower, your one-stop shop for lighting and electrical fitting. Ndizi TV, Obwansu, Womogusi. We are king mwanchu murigiri we television ya Ndizi TV moro bengi ando sia soberete iwe aragiri EYEMO yabono morogoba ekini chiza chirobongoro Afrika ya mocha chingaki gichokoretera mangana magia senkira yobokirano mnere butambere litukuya jumamosi chingaki onyara mangana magia senkira yobokirano kolendera yaro ni gona kire genkyo eliyo kumanyiha mangana magia ali abereka koreka no mugaso mugima ekorwa chinsemo aho imeyense ya Kenya no igoro kongorwa gusi chingaki echuni gonkoboria onyara kwenda se mitandao yeito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital ngabo igogende se Facebook se YouTube account yeito ya Ndizi TV News elio onyare konyora mangana magia chingaki chindi chonchi chiriora nyore ekero twabekira mangana magia live no bigo alia etokobeka twabere to recordia byomono kigima niwo kwariga no moyo murabu kigima elio benenche elio tonyare kwemanya ego ikomo alio segeke kekera bosyo ngore na tolo tuchaka mangana magia senchira yobekira no Kigima mwanchu morigeria yene television ya Wanjete na mbe moyumuno bekegusi ya Ndizi TV mangana magia senchira yubo ikiranu no bigolyo gonkonyo ko yaletera senchira yumuno wimanyiriryo nigakuru kwa Joshua Auta mangana magia nigotugoya chaka buna omo bishop we diocese ya Kisii Bishop Joseph Mairura ni gwaboriria bakenya ko baba toereru chingaki ense ya Kenya igendrete kuanyirira okuna chwa wiki na ase kigambero gya Supreme Court gwikaboli tuko lya Jumatatu nigaya kwa nayo ase semo ya Nyabururu chinga kichumo yigabwa abadikones na nigatebabuna nigo abakenya baruba kolete mirimo yabo asugwa kachikura na bono aliyatigalete namangana iyabana chibina ayo chikwananwa lituko lya Jumatatu nyoro roboti ruo asenchira engikiranu kegima
na wetu wenzetu na watumieni salamu nyingi kutoka Nyabururu mission yetu ambapo tumeomba sana, tumeombea amani. Najua ya kwamba mlipiga kura vizuri na yaliyotendeka baadaye sisi hatupo. Nyinyi mnaoendelea kuhesabu pale juu mnajua mtafanya nini, lakini tunawaombea muelewane, muwe na mwafaka sehemu ile na sehemu hii. Ifikirie nchi yetu vizuri, muwe na mwafaka utakaoleta amani na kuelewana katika nchi yetu. Hatutaki vita, na matokeo yakitokea hakuna haja ya kupigana. Hatuna haja ya kupigana. Ni kuelewana tu. Ikiwa huyu ameshinda, basi heshima kwake. Na yule ambaye ameshindwa tusimudharau. Tumheshimu pia, kwa sababu hata yeye anachangia amani nchi yetu. Na tunataka nchi yetu jameni iendelee. Kuna makosa yaliyofanywa hapa na pale, lakini uzuri mwingi ulikuwepo. Na Wakenya wote watulie. Watu wote watulie mpaka tungojee uamuzi wa koti. Tusichukue sheria mikononi mwetu.
Ekara otudigalete soroboti uruo sensemo yaye omo Bishop Joseph Obanyi kurwa diocese ya Kakamega oyo nerukira nasomo igoyo nigo aboria bakenya naborobo kugendera kubaba toereru ekero roboti uruo ose ekigambere kanene kigochikurwa roboti waye kupatikana nikinekyo kyabage gwikigwa busibwaye nabigo kyaberege ukwanirwa sigwiki yaita
mangana manene tokurwa ngoja sense yonsi mna togendrete twaetira siga kishinkong na bono muna mangana aitase ekigambere kanene egento turabuge kuboria bakenya ngeringa mbabasa gukora kende kebe ekiaire ensene yaito kende gionsi kera najwe na ekigambere kenene ekina kitoko bwatera koboko kiroyo muito agenda akora emirimo yaye tubeke obotoereru na tunyare kwagacha ensi yaito ase okwerwa abagambi bari bachorirwe na bari abande bonsi bare ase ogochorwa tokobasaba na bari banyare korigereria obuya bwa Kenya obuya bwa bantu banyare ko bakonya mbabasa kwanza koria bantu ekisegi ekiare bino byo bitakaneiria asenga kiyabono ya Kenya abakenya baeteire asogo kungubunge utaka enchara moroje besanji jiborete borwaire mbwaba eminte binge byabeire aseigo teko babuyanga naende tujake gutumia chinga kijia siasa gochaka kobeka abantu asisegi no mweli oye koreto bube asense ito na gusabyo murembe naseigo tokubasabera mayabonsi tigatuajerane kerie korwegwa serito koria Jumatatu togendere nemirimo yaito muna bakenya penyasa wasisi
ekero togenderete gutigara soroboti orwo obanyi nigo boigo abolirie abaibori kugenderera kubasemia abana babo chimbwe chingia nerimono ekero bale naborobwo nakobaboria banyari gukora imirimo asenkera erengia nabo gukobakinia kemubere nabo igo ekemoika
abaibori andonse asimore abana baino balinya sabaire mwanyari kubarenda buya munyari kubaji mujingia munyari kubasomia naende kigima munyare kubarokereria okwegena elinde nabange nabakwegwa bakora imirimo ya Nyasaye lakini no mbali batari bakora imirimo ya Nyasaye banyara bakora imirimo eremia nabwo ababande bako babarai nabwo ababande baguchiko babarai ba Kenya egocha nase igo abaibori mubwate imirimo emia mubwate gasi nyinge lakini renda abana baino asichimbu chingia na Nyasaye munyare kubabeka samoka Nyasaye kubasesenia Nyasaye kubachora na litoko gendera munekerisha na litoko gendera munense.
Omugabana we county ya Wazingishu Jonathan B nigaboliri abaibori koba MAISO na kumanya abana babo kelia bogokora ekero baliboka nigaya kwa nayo ekerikirana sama sabo asikanise yamo imeyi county yo.
Kuna watoto wengi wanatoa maisha yao kwa sababu hawaelewi hii maisha ilikuwa ni ya nini, na kuna wale ambao wanafuatilia vitu kwa mtandao. Unasikia mtu amekuwa na rafiki mwenye hata hajui ni rafiki yupi huyu. Unafuatilia rafiki ambaye ndani yake anaongozwa na shetani na mawazo mabaya na culture za watu wengine ambao sio zetu. Tunataka tuambie wazazi na viongozi na walimu tuchunge watoto wetu. Ukiona mtoto anajificha kwa room, ujue anafanya nini na simu, anafanya nini peke yake mpaka anaitwa kuja come take your lunch. Anafanya nini? Na hayuko kwa shamba na hayuko sokoni, anafanya nini? Anaona nini? Na unajua hizi simu siko na kila kitu. Ukitaka Mungu unapata ndani, ukitaka shetani mtakuta naye hapo ndani.
Gotigana no roboti orwo Daniel Osugo korwase county ya Nyamira nsemo ya Kibirigo nigo abirika gusona bikoroto asensemeyo ase aburiye serikali kuba inyura abantu balia bakora imirimo y'amaboko anene mono ekero amuchiria bana siasa bali bakubuli chikura na kurwachira kinyinge na ekero banyorore biroge byo bagenda na kobeba musakito kurose county ya Nyamira Job Mahangi niga koriganiri roboti orwo asenchira yuboikerano
kero yomo asobogima nabwate egento agwetogeria egento gekomoa omugati okera lituko lya lero nabagingo talera ensemo ya Kibirigo asito chikumirana ne fundi EYEMO ogosona ebikoroto nonyanga kabwate oborema
abana bakoli skuru batatu nabane bale skuru babira weterega siyana
obogima bwa John Kinanga kurwansi chanigo bonchereretie ekero aigete emyaka 15 na kolemara
asobole mabugane ibona ale marete kimbugate emyaka 15 karugeti kolisi kyombe ingoche siorolie kambugata nkakanse
egetambo kerio kyaye gyokoligia okobwenigwa asitinya gitari kinene imeyensa icho ya Kenya nkyabete gegoikirana
sasa nere tubakenya gitari kurukunyabondo nkamenyororo abasongo bagikombekera kijuma magorane ne jinyimbo nje na tungo beka jindi gati yanji gotema kogenda ngasinyuka genda bono ngacha kwene ngabona arwade kabisa tingo nyara gutara
tabete gakogendera n'ekisemi aseng'encho y'oburema bwaye ekyo gekagera akairwa esukuru y'ogosona ebikoroto n'abaibori baye
abaibori bakarwa bono tingo chakunyara kwende sukuru y'ogosoma kisemi bakangire kosi y'ebikoroto gosona nkaenda nyanchu bosongo ngakore kosi y'emyaka 6 n'emetinyi 5 korwa ronka ruonga jabake sukuru korukunyanguge ngasonera abana funsi ebikoroto emyaka 3
ase obugima bwaye oeteire amakong'u buna chisegi chiobochori obonene ase bintu byaye byabete bigosambwa na gosaligwa
kurwabwe kana ruoro nyangu gabu nkaenda bakasa kurukiriso imoro nkagura kali mororo nkamenya emyaka 15 emyaka ye 15 ngendo yaite kondusione chisegi kiri kya 207 tukasaligwa tukababa kimbisi tukacha bono ingo chankanga ranga stayo ndakore biasara kubwa kebiriga ngaje town ya kebirigo gaiga naro nasoni emyaka 15 kuruji tegi asa igo na ombere tega na ontegemete nsangu soni bikoroto nasomeria abana
ase ateba obokong'u obonene agwetera mbulinga tabwati ebintu bagakorera emeremo na kuebwa n'abana siasa n'abarai bense yaito ya Kenya
bono changamoto gwetera capital bono ntobwati bifa bisaine bune binaye tubono byasambire tumora bwistu asere tikuchitege bono ebine binacha konya konyora nsanga na konyora abantu abachibundi cyane kigankonya bike unanchakirete iga bono nakitoko range serikali yetu buna bonda abandi abakubuli chikura baate to babekire chikura barabona botoko bachikura bagende emyaka 5 dinana korora muntu ikuru mubekire kura nchina boncha andiketa ne kura nche mubekire
no nyankuru ase serikali nigo baibire mbaranyora obokonyi buna etakeire
nche koruwe emyaka yonsi nana gokonywa nebikoroto byane ngendete gusona na bigonkonya
nateba buna chibesa akonyora korwa sobosoni bw'ebikoroto na chichikomokonya elinde kogendereria enka yaye
efamilia yane bono ngosona ebikoroto naba ngasoe byombe nkwakana singi 500 kila lituko ebese yake na iru ebese yiguru sekiombe nagorera familia yane ndagira egende nasibu yande skuru
abateja nigo abwate abange abo bakomoretera ebikoroto abo bagotengera emeremo emiya agokora
samajyane giro kinchi nyanjete naenda abandi kuchinje banje tuko abantu abandi bale boronge wone gasigara litukuri ligi jana monkore gasingi yasano na ros 500 na ros yeribu bakana ros 500 unabona muroji kasoma jana jirayiga ne bikoroto bakanyete abane chikasoma bonse ibo bakanyete nkorera na barabundo toko na inu basotiye mbakore gasi bono njengo bajinsa nabatebigenda ocha jinsa getonyone ko tukiya kiabe ekero toregane chibundi chiano muntu tongo majinsa bunago ikaiga onyora chibikoroto bya yanti getana amukore ibona kyakora bakonyege nande mbwati chibundi togo sona litukweli mutwa ko ndio byamanya
nasemia abaibori gotabisa abana babo babwate oborema kolende ko balikia ase serikali elinde banyore obokonyi
ebori abongo batebeira abana uchikosi onyamba liko ende skuru ye chisemi basome chisemi onyamba ikwe nyara kolika bayandi chikosi njira nyanchu gabo songo bebundi sororo ali okwa egwe bifa byegasi kwa uchindani kwa egwe biraka kwa kiregendo wacha kwa igoro naye gasi yao yako gendera kwa nyorebesa
ase asaba bali babwate oborema utumeka ebyegwa byabo elinde kwegendereria
abantu buna bwendo ngo batebya egasi yabane cyo umuntu okolema ijo konyora kibesa igo umuntu tigamini gasi yali abwate bunanga mine tie gasi yani gosone bikoroto nana kurunsa anje na ndenza mambi nacha maroba naenda nyumba ko na nyore besa yane igo mete na nyore 200 na tumie 100 nagacha emye nero ngo na nyore yashane ekibesa nakorera abana bane bintu endagira naboda bagajianga
kerege ntonigo gekonyarekana ekero ogokorera emeremo ekegwa oire na Nyasaye korwa se chire akebirigo ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi
biomono kigima uyo no musakito kurwa se county ya Nyamira Job Maangi hogokwanira nene mono alia abakenya baganitie magaya bachari abarai gochorwa na kurwa asi constituency ya bobono nigo barange kigima gotiani wana gochake emeremo bwango kigima na bakenya nigo bali no kwegena nandi hake mbachiko bakorera chira kiri babete bakurina ko bakorera imirimo gutigana nayo abarai kurwa se county ya Bungoma nigo baburirie abakenya ko babatwere rukinga kibwanyete kinako nachwa nekigambiro kiria ya Supreme Court ritukure Jumatatu nigo omo women representative kurwa se county yo ya Kakamega omusubati Catherine Wambilianga aburirie nabwo gukora ekiombe ky'abantu bande ko mwakire koko mu senator Obungoma musike Moses Wetangula eliyuguchikoira libaga liyo monogeri bwe bunge enene
amani na nishukuru wa Kenya wote kwa ile amani ambayo mmedumisha tangu uchaguzi mkuu. Tumekuwa hapo tukingoja vile hao waliingia Supreme Court, lakini by 5th tunaenda kupata jibu. Na vile mwenzangu amesema hapa investor, mimi najua ushindi bado tuko nao. Na tarehe 5 wale ambao tunarudi Nairobi leo, tunaenda kungoja hiyo tarehe ili tukuje tusherekee na nyinyi pamoja.
After the president, you come to the deputy president. From the deputy president, you go to the speaker. Na Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula, wewe ukiwa speaker, you will be the undisputable kingpin of the people of Western region. Ile mimi nakuomba, ulie hii watu wote waluia pamoja, utuweke pamoja, irrespective of the political parties. Nyumba ya Mulembe, in terms of population, we are now number 1.
The other leaders, Senator Weta, I wish you well. We are praying that you become the speaker. I've been the speaker in the Senate, and now you are going to be the speaker in the National Assembly. God loves us.
Sai tunaomba tu wa Kenya tuwe watulifu. Walitupeleka kotini, koti imetusikiza, uamuzi ni Jumatatu. Only a day away.
Ekero tugenderete gutigara samangana siasa omukonyi asobo mobwazimio la umoja musubati Martha Karua ni gatebirubuna warabuni gobra chigwankirana no kuna chwa kurasi kampiro kenene ya Supreme Court kobata kana ninki na babete bagoikia busyo obwaye gyukwamereria okoraligwa ko mokonyi bumura ibwenzo muski William Ruto koba umura yo muchore bwense ya Kenya.
Wale walitupigia kura na pia wale hawakutupigia ni haki yao kupiga mahali walipiga, na hiyo ndio demokrasia. Sasa tuko kotini tukitafuta ukweli, sababu amani ambayo haina msingi wa ukweli na haina haki haiwezi ikadumu. Na ndivyo katiba yetu ikasema, usipotosheka na uamuzi wa tume la uchaguzi unaenda kotini, maswali inatandikwa hapo, wananchi na kila mtu anaelewa. Uamuzi ukitokelezea Jumatatu, zote tutatii, sababu hiyo ndio tulikubaliana kama Wakenya. Tukianza na mambo ya haramu, tutaishi na mambo ya haramu. Wale wamechaguliwa wakiingia bila kuzingatia msingi wa ukweli, hawatatutumikia, wataenda kunyakua mali yetu. Na sisi wananchi ndio tuko na jukumu la kuchagua viongozi wa ukweli. Tukichagua wa uongo, tunaishi na hiyo mambo mabaya.
Omugabana mochore bwe county ya Mombasa Abdulsomad Nasir nigo abolirie abanasiasa kurwase county yo ya Mombasa kobeka ensemo siasa nango kolera abamenyi benseme yo emiremo nigaye kwa nayo chinga kibalingi kwena na chitaito D go chesa abamenyi bensemo ya Likoni litukulia lero.
Tunaweza kuwa na tofauti ya maono, tukana tofauti ya njia yoyote nyingine, lakini tofauti zetu zisiwe ndio zitasababisha watu kuweza kudhoofika. Dadangu hapa Mishi, wakati watu wanapiganiwa ardhi za Mwananguvuze, nilikuwa mimi na yeye dadangu tukaweza kuhakikisha ya kwa bunge limeweza kwenda. Watu wa Mtongwe Ferry hapa, walipokuwa Mtongwe Ferry imeweza kusimamishwa, tulipigana mimi na dadangu Mishi tukalileta bunge zima hapa Mtongwe. Leo ferry ya Mtongwe inaweza kuendelea. Ningelikuwa kazi yangu mimi ni kupigana na Mishi, kisha niseme kwa vile mimi ndio mwenyekiti wa kamati, Mishi kwa vile ati atapata mileage, atapata mabonga points, jua atapata nini, lazima nimdidimize, lazima tukutukanane. Watu wa Mtongwe leo wangelikuwa wanateseka paka sasa. wasia wangu, hii siasa imetufunza loyalty is key. Hii siasa imetufunza si lazima tuwe ni watu wenye kutukanana na kutusiana iwe tunaelekea mwelekeo.
Chinga kiecho mubunge bw'ensemo ya Likoni Musubati Mishimboko nigo atogiriye umugabana okusoka ku Rwesi County ya Mombasa Muski Hali Asanjo asoko bwaterana n'umugabana Mochole Abdul Somad Nasir na kubwatuka chitaito did gochia sabamenyi bensemeyo ya Likoni gokwana kurwa asesemeyo nigatebebuna inse y'Uburayi bwa Hasanjo nigo bantamange bakonyegete asesemeyo asoko nyora chitaito did chamuremabo higagiye cyo nigamabolirie umugabana umujya uyo chigoswa ase county yo Nasir gochia kogendera bosyo nemirememia iyo mugabana y'umukoro alingi okora.
Gavana, mimi nataka kukushukuru sana kwa nguvu zako, umeniwezesha. Nimekuwa vipindi viwili kama mama, ingekuwa ngumu sana mimi kupigana na kina baba katika siasa, lakini umenifunza, umenimenta, umenisaidia. Nilipambana nao ile ya nyuma, nikawaangusha, nikaingia na MCAs wangu wote wa ODM. Mara hii pia ukanibeba, ukanishikilia pamoja na Abdul Somad Sharif Nasir akanishikilia, na mumeona MCAs wangu hapa ODM, kwa sababu Likoni ni bedroom ya baba ODM. Sasa ilikuwa kutaingia chama gani kama si ODM? Na wenye ODM ni hawa, wako ngangari, wako kidete. Kwa hivyo nataka nikushukuru gavana kwa hapo tulipofika, na pia nakwambia gavana, tukiingia kule, kwa hiyo majority leader tupe
gotigana nayo siasa. Umuwaziri w'ikizemi umuski Professor George Magoha nigo ashingirire gotebabuna amatemo manene niga ucha kolekana buna yaberege kurobeligwa nigo yakwa nayo ase county ya Kericho itugore rero ekiratalira jiskuru icho eliokoligereria obwagaji webirasi bya CBC.
Like I said yesterday, ours now should be to encourage our children. Let us be positive to our children as they move towards exams. They are extremely well prepared. I have engaged so many of them, the last one being yesterday. And in my considered opinion, even for the majority of them, even if the exam was to be taken today, they would still pass it. So let us stop being naysayers, because our children are extremely resilient. In any case, the majority of the schools had already completed the syllabuses, and what they are doing is revising. I also would like to say that should there be even other issues towards November, those other issues, whatever they may be, can carry on, but our children should continue and carry on with their exams.
Omugavana we county ya West Pokot Simon Kachapin amono mokonyoye nigo barule kurulege tindi gochia sabakuri merimo abeserikali ya county yo ase ababorie bagenderere gukora merimo bwekera ubuniganiri onyetari boigo nigo barachikwiruge tindi tambukirege tindi ase bali abatayigo gukora merimo yabo buniganiri.
Tumekuja hapa asubuhi, tumetembelea asubuhi, tumekuja saa 1 asubuhi, na ningetaka tu kuambia wafanyakazi wa West Pokot na wakaaji wa West Pokot kwamba sisi tutakuwa tunaripoti ofisi kila saa 2 asubuhi, na tungetaka kupata kama wafanyakazi hawajafika. Kama jana tulifika, hata tulikuwa tunatafuta vifunguo ya maofisi. So sisi ni watu ya kazi, tunaongea kidogo na tunatekeleza kazi. Na mnajua mheshimiwa gavana Kachapin ni mtu ambaye anapenda kazi.
Mimi kama gavana nitashughulikia hiyo kwa sababu ni vizuri ili dawa ile inakuja kuwe na value for money. Na hiyo ndio kazi yangu. Nimekuja hapa na siku ya 3 nikiwa ofisi kuona kwamba afya tukitaka actualize ile tunaita universal healthcare. Nasema mimi kama gavana tushirikiane, nimekuja hapa na naibu wangu, tushirikiane na wahudumu wa afya wote. Sababu gavana pekee yake hawezi fanya kazi pekee yake. Lazima tufanye kazi na wale technical team wa hospitali.
Ego kiraga mwanchu mutegereri nigo togoso asibirubo bye CHIGOSORI asitukumanyigwa buna asigosori ya basketball eskuru y'abamura ya Nyanchwa nigo yairalibaga liagatato ase CHIGOSORI ch'eskuru chisekondari cha Nyanza Region magega yuko ikora etimu y'abamura ya Maranda se CHIGOSORI echichakorekana ime igia Asumbi Technical College umusakito kurwa silubo bichigosori ndemo Steven niga twaliganiriye roboti waruo asenchira yuwekerano
Omanche morere aigana segeti ya Asumbi TTC ne gosori ya basketball ya bere kobage kogosori gune gosori ye playoff mageti Nyanchwa boys gotangana ime Kisii County nigo bona baikira iga segosori ya bwato wa mereri obotindi mono no moreo kobwa etimu ya Maranda High School 2.61 ese timu ya Nyanchwa boys na 60 ase etimu ya Maranda High School gosori ya lenkenko mono sana kolende maiga yabu Nyanchwa bere gatichi timu chiri chintangani mono sana korongo rwagusi ko namba isato ase CHIGOSORI cha Nyanza Regional League mwanje moliti nkwana mangustin sanga mangentora igano morokyo monene bwe timu ya Nyanchwa boys amekaine buna kefa mogire asanga tubune sabari ya Nyanchwa ya beire boy kiraboni ga igombi amono congratulations litangani bitu chake ne gosori ya boni ga mwabire mokobwa na CHIGOSORI ya beire technically
mpiro ngoma kwa musana nge very technical kini abake baitongba mbaka according to instructions banyara ko mpiro tolenge raisi Maranda mbo bata wanafunzi bareba bata intelligence ere igoromono into batemesa into babwira
nimaita yarenge win yarenge close mono sana esengencho andake chista eta EYEMO inseni go kwarenge inseno mweli oye wakora changes no mweli chago konya kubwa kwanyora chi tries ivero ucho mweli chakonya kwabwa ne point ya EYEMO umuhimu kie kwa namba isato ase CHIGOSORI chik ebwate kuchie saye buno morokyo monene
number 1 inchune coach emiano gotwara progression in basketball kerna chitega region ritangani that is 3 years ago na renge number 6 the next time na chitenga number 5 this is my third time at the region of number 3 it's very important and to my players they are getting certificates for the same so it's prestigious for us as Kisii County to be position 3 as a basketball tournament kaburais.
Congratulations sana konde tara kwa ngi kelimo chiko chenchi go cha sentunde nde ko bwati kuna boto randa kina ke safari no ya bire kelimo TIGA ime regional ninu nambe ya moko Kisii County kurwa ko soli entangani go kiraboni kana ki every game ya bire scores tiliora inyole go kirabono
twakire biye game entangani twabweza tokawe timu runga Migori boys chi baskets 51 na 31 ya kabira na ronjika ba ka final siga bagatobwa 31 to 51 it was a very tight match semi senior defending champions agorosare wakatobwa 69 to 47 very tight again pono playoffs over number 3 over Maranda metoka ni giant schools third raisi haintu atemire sana pono in my next championship I want to be in the finals because that's the next step now.
Nimate kurwa sorongo ruwa county ya Kisii torola ndake basketball nkonya go kinere senje saba subati daro je St Angela sengranero yava na mbaini ya magogo siri chi semi final nero kiroro chikimani take kodu tukini basketball chi school chinge chiese na chikale ko Kisii County Nyamira
tofauti ya Kisii County na Nyamira County chi principal chiapo garachi ko support ya bana ba ku scholarships yana baka agoro sarega na unjiko ebra South Sudan abatambe sana pono njiko ruhusia tokote mama na liwe rasmi baka waida. We cannot compete at this level unless we start also sporting for scholarships, game scholarships. Not another competition. Right now, I was struggling because I didn't have it. Talk to the native man. I don't know if you want to have a talent as a team.
Yonda kwa tebana ke coaching gose chiskuru chiba chikwenda chiarigeli aba gosoli mapema chiaba sponsorship bali wabwato ko bwase chigosoli mapema gosenkyo goteba.
Yeah, ngoteba for us to compete in Kisii County, to give good players, we give them scholarships in our schools. Because that is what all schools are doing in Luo Nyanza. Tare kerabo dero compete na waro but we are trying.
Ndake ntarachi kokole semeli mbwate na kefa mogiroro gatia watani abanene ba basketball asorogongo ruagusi andake CHIGOSORI chie kuru county ya Kisii totika na mangana basketball taro CHIGOSORI chinyenge handball enko yutweka chi semi final nkeigo andake njira nyore bagale okese chi final kone kiora erese team ya Korugusi region na kia compete ya se entunde
kaketu atemire sana matendo boys nega te final sasa rugby and the internationals and then Kisii school basketball 3x3 mbange finals wakabuna yala into kile semi-finals. Progressively we are doing very well in Kisii County. Go improve tole. Such small things into internationals. Wanga nto tokende.
Ndake all the best na ambia mona sali oskiwa tevire mbuya mono mwancho molero ya mekaine buna kefa mogire omorokyo monene bwe timu ya Nyanchwa Boys ya bire na mbaisa to ase gosori ya basketball orchinga kieche chunto bataba gosori be timu ya basketball korwaiga ase timu ya Nyanchwa Boys ndabe gingo sanganere igonda nyale ko motebya ndake anyale ko bakagocha aiga tobe to gosanganere ase emangana yarengete basketball nere nabe agotorana kyo bugimavwaye bwa beira ase gosori na ngikeri bire ko bana mwancho molero nyora buna sense mende final digere gati Eskuria Onchiko Boys amone Eskuria Agoro Sari. Kwa hivyo omosoli ochira iga asante sana kufika hapa shika ball. Najua mnapenda ball sana. Kwa hivyo kwanza kabisa mmefika number 3. Ina mean nini kwako na unaanza na jina lako?
As for me, I'm called Hakavo Eugene Shirandula, and it means a lot to me having reached at the position 3 among the rankings. It has been really tough for us to reach position 3. It has not been really easy. We are determined to win, but I don't think that we did enough. But come next time, we're going to do enough so that we can be at the position 1.
You know, I know since 2019 when the schools went for a break, there has not been much of the sporting activities. It's the first edition after COVID-19. Maybe, could you say maybe the lack of consistent trainings and matches led to the levels not being so much as you had expected?
Yes, as for me, I could say that. And as for everything that you have said according to the COVID-19 break, it has really affected because the sports came as a surprise. The sports came as a surprise. So many of the teams were not prepared. So we were surprised even us. But we thank God that as for us, we had trained really well and we performed the way we performed.
I know next year we have another edition. Maybe if you're not a finalist, if you have a next chance, what could you do different in the next edition?
As for us, we will perform better than what we did today and move to position 2 or 1, but most likely position 1.
Thank you and all the best. You're going to give me my ball. Okay, mwancho you know mogosoli bwe timu ya Nyanchwa Boys nechinga kiechecho St Angela Sengranero abire skuru engia sana korwaiga sorogongo rwe county ya Kisii naomba yetase chi semi final no mweleo yabasiria gosori yechi ye a playoff koligi mbaisato ndobwato mogosoli yabonere turabeto gosanganere naro tebina ki amangana abire koru ase a team yabo. Yeah, I know for your school it has been so much competitive from the beginning. You are number 1 from Kisii County, then you add the playoff. Let's begin with the playoff. Beginning with your name and how the playoff match was and which opponent it was. Look at the camera.
The first game?
No, the playoff.
I'm Fatima Ishmael Juma from St. Angela Sengera Girls. We managed to be the number 4. The school that has removed us from the last in semis was Barchando, and we played with Katolo to get number 3 and 4. They scored us 40-39 with 1 point. It was just a simple mistake that next time we promise will change.
Yeah, maybe you said it was just 1 point, that it was very painful. I saw the mood. It was very painful for you as a school. Maybe next time if you are given a chance, what will you do differently?
Next time when we are given a chance to come for the regionals again, we will make sure we go and train well in our defense so that next time when we come, we aim in win nationals, because our motto says we aim high.
Maybe before I'm done with you, St. Angela Sengera, I may wish to know maybe from the beginning when you came here, for you to reach at the semi-finals, it means you won your previous matches. How can you begin from first day, the experience until you reach the semi-finals?
When we came on Thursday, on Thursday, we had a match with Ekinyoro. We scored them 60-18. And the second,
wow, that's a very big range.
Yes, the second match we played with Katolo, the one that we played with it the last game, and we scored them 42-29. The third game, which was the same, we played with Barchando, whereby they scored us 40-49. Then we had to meet again with Katolo, where they remove us with the 1 point.
Okay, lastly, as we finished, your school gave you so much support to reach this level. What do you tell your school for the support it gave you and the experience you've had here?
For our school, we just say thank you because they have been with us. The teachers were not sleeping here, but they used to come every now and then, and they were keeping time. So it means they were with us. With this one, it was just a simple mistake that next time we promise to change.
What is your parting shot to all those who are looking at you live here at Ndizi TV from other schools and other sportsmen from this edition? What can you tell other students in the school?
For those who are looking at us here now, we can say if there are players, we can say that next time, even them, those who have lost, it's not the last time. We have some chances. Like me, I'm in third. I have next year. I promise I'll do my best. When you'll come here, you'll just find me here heading to nationals.
Okay, I'll not forget this day. I'll ask you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you and all the best for the time you've had with us.
Thank you.
Mwancho Morieri oyino moroki we skuru ya St. Angela Sengera odana uba wokire koba namba inye ne skuru ya Nyancho Boys koba namba isatu na tebabuna asentunde kobwati ama mocho bakora asentunde mbaye bakonyakora na kwene kibine ntunde kobwati mbaye kekerengo baitani keli baika asentunde Mwancho Morieri rwasa mwana rengete gosori ya basketball CHIGOSORI cheskuru abuna ngo ikiromo elibuna botambe njiri ternende mo Steven captain 001 na igani gamanya kainebuna Asumbi TTC egotoka Ime County ya Homa Bay.
Oyo konogege songo gabo nigakurukwa captain 001 ndemo Steven kolili yamangana y'CHIGOSORI kisukuru CHISEKENDARI ya Nyanza region echijokolekana se skuru ose technical college ya Sumbe wanchu muligeli kerondo jicha chiri jidaeka emirongete na isato igoro YENSA ya bono maragova wikira bunongo ko ramangana magia senkira ayo wikiranu inyoranga murobiri okubwatia nigo manyikanite na World Fit Healthcare oyokale twasole na Frida Kirugo oyibaje kubwatirana no munyagetari Dr. Kena Moses kurwabo chikoraga chinsisa tonkwernanda semese inkoletera mangana magia senkira ayo wikiranu na magayaje nkomera tole na omukwana ligo somo nokilibwa mangana siasa gaga asemese gagende tukondera somo rubulyo bweke umbu enyora lero nilituko lya Jumamosi nigo amanyikantuna engineer Ken Omuyo nerogo chanto kwonera mangana mange kwa romo gavana bwe county ya Kisii nigarangilia abantu guchialia segetigia CHIGOSORI ekiyogusi stadium akabata kiromonto atene nebosio bwegaliaye yani kiromogendia atene nebosio atene sigaliaye tukorera mangana hiyo murubuli no kolekanete buya yatebe kanire mnande yake nabari kurigia efam gose efam naturatebe nchiri manyikanete aso gukora mangana auditing kurigiria kisabu abantu na kibali kiregabo mbere bagote bana angona barigetie bandu bateba nkorosari takucha kwenda chi ministry chonzi ainigati yali tugukwanira onyure kinagia Supreme Court kilikia betege ko irworo matukabere anga tatoiga nkiabatege gukwanirwa nsemelio bosoheri nensemelio kurwanderera omukonyi bumuraibwense kugendera bosyo nako bumuraibwense maga yukoralirwa nikiombe kiligi chimbebe no bacholi kya IBC bunanero murayo macholi bwense ya Kenya no bigonto kwanira mange kubatakara na siasa chigenderete guikabona ayo nguchakira chinse isato nenu suche butuko lero asumuro bulyo obweke ombo kolende inyora buna chinse ibere chikobaiga omo radio itukuruga Frida Kirubo ngochara somuro bulyo World Fit Healthcare na Dr. Kena Moses igobono togendale mangana ingoja koratole asenkira erendonge kigima bono wakira mpio mona sugera libagali yao likulira amangana mujia kurwa sigete senkio na mbeye mo kyomunwa obweke gusi kya Ndizi TV inyoranga kira chingaki genda simitandao yetu ya Ndizi TV News akiroli YouTube elio subscribe na voigo link yeyo na bokonyera na somosani au mosani onde chingaki ole Facebook genda galia Ndizi TV News Digital elio bono onyare go share oseko follow anytime akirotwa bekire emirobili ro elito recorded na voigo elie kwenda live chingaki chionsi chinsa emirongevere na inye inyoranga eyekro kwa Ndizi TV obwansu bwamogusi inche ni konkro kwa John Kibati. Omurigeria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura lyubuncho lyabwao ase television